Hi, it's Hard Reset, and today I'll show you how to connect to VPN with Bitdefender. So first open Bitdefender VPN and search locations, and here search whatever you want. I have Paris selected, but maybe Lisbon. Okay, so Portugal, and wait for it to connect. Now it is connected. You have your IP address hidden, so this is your new address for now. And here you have the connection time. Here you have secure traffic, kilobytes per hour, per second. And if you click this, then you are disconnected. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.